Hey guys, I'm sorry about no video yesterday on my camera, my little webcam up here, where you guys can see me from, see that? Yeah, it wasn't working when I went to go do that, and I kept retrying, and so today it's back up, and I know it's like 9:30, so, but it counts for today, right? Recently our dishwasher broke, and we've been having to hand wash all our stuff. So, we got these Pampered Chef bamboo towels, like cloth towels, and these are really good. They're nice, absorbent, they're eco-friendly because it's made of bamboo, and they're $17.99 for two, something like that. They're really good, so check them out. I'd get them. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow, and I will try to make it earlier than I did today. Just crazy day and all that stuff. So yeah, see ya, bye.